Okay, finding a slanting base of a triangle, bias vertices. So, another coordinate geometry. So, kung kanina horizontal at saka vertical base, may parehong x and y coordinate. This time, walang magkapareho. So, kung walang magkapareho, gagamitin natin yung distance formula to find yung distance between yung line segments and yung points. Yung finding yung distance nung points nung line segment. Yung point A at point B ng isang line segment ng triangle. So, sinasabi ko na nga slant. So, ibig sabihin pa nakaslant yan, it assumes na right triangle yan kasi nakaslant. Yung hypotenuse kasi ang hinahanap natin dyan. So, doon nakabase yung distance formula. Hindi yan same x coordinate at y coordinate. Magkaiba yan, kaya nakaslant. Gagraph natin yan. So, dito, ang technique dito, pag nakakita ka niyan, dalawang negative, positive na yan. So, imbis na 3 minus 2, magiging 3 plus 2. Pag kasi dalawang negative. So, yun lang pa.